Alright, hey y'all. So today's video is going to be on the 24A Artist Pass palette by Morphe. Right now I'm putting above the crease a color called Desert Vibe. It's this orangey. I don't know why I didn't show it off, but it's like a darker tone of orange. I'm just gonna put this shadow down so it can stick to my base because I did prime my eyelids and my eye. And then this is going to help grab the attention of the other shadows. So I like to pack it on first and then go ahead and blend it. I'm going to take it out a little bit in a winged look to give my eye a lifted effect since I do have small eyes and hooded eyes. Now I'm going in with Indio Whoa. It's like a it's in the orange realm but it's like a neon orange. And again, just packing it, I'm tapping it first on top of Desert Vibes, which is the previous shade, and then go ahead and blend it out. And then we're going to even more neon color. It's called Max Volume. It's like this neon, like hot pink type of color. I'm kind of going for like a sunsetty vibe in this video. So again, I'm placing this on top of the previous two shades, and then I really think this look pulls together when I add the purple shade, which is called Major Inspo. Excuse me. So here I'm adding it in the outer corner of my eye and also in my crease and just slightly above the crease, and I'm blending it out. Just blending the colors together. And then I know the shape looks kind of wonky, but we're gonna go ahead and fix that up later on when I put on the rest of my makeup. And then on the eyelid, I'm putting Secure Set. It's like this, it's a shimmer, but it's a lavender. It's beautiful. For my under eye, I'm just gonna do one color. I'm gonna do Major Inspo, which is the purple, just to deepen up the color or the look a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out towards the wing of my eye. And then this color is kind of amazing. It's called All Access. It looks white but it has a golden undertone to it. I wish I could have showed it off better, but I put that in my inner tear ducts. And then I took Private Oasis for this iridescent highlighter effect on my cheek. And also for the lip, I didn't use a lipstick. This is a lip gloss called Iridescent Throne from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I think it just went with the look so well. You can't tell, it looks like a clear lip gloss, but on here it's having reflex of like whatever the hell's on my eye. Those colors are on this lip gloss. It looked amazing. I wish it showed up better on the camera, because like up close you get these little like reflex of purple, blue, that lavender, you know, red, orange. It's beautiful. I try to show it off here on my hand, but yeah. But this is the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Bye.